Hey everyone, welcome back to the bench and to hopefully new audio. Hopefully it's sounding really good. This is really a test, this video. That's why I'm doing this, just to test out my audio. I'm not going to know if it's going to be any good until I get into post and play around with it. But I have been playing around and listening, and I think it is. I think I've managed to sort it. I've got a lot better with, hopefully we've got rid of all the hiss, or most of it anyway. And hopefully when I get into post, that the AI that I use to help tidy everything else up won't ruin the audio and leave loads of artifacts. So like I said, I really apologize for any video I've released this year, really, and especially like my Tree of Life. I've just released my Tree of Life masterclass on Patreon, and you know what, it's good and I'm happy with it and everybody hear what's going on, but I am a perfectionist. I'm not happy with the audio. I didn't re-record it because it took me 4 days to film, and then it took me over a week to edit, and it was quite a lot of effort into it. And I was like, you know what, it's okay. I'm sure it's just me being me and being a perfectionist. So yeah, so this video is just a recording, but also I want to get across to you guys what's going on with the channel. Okay, so, well, it's been fun. Like last year, it's been great. I tried to release every week, which I pretty well much did. And that was a challenge. I will say that to you. I'm only human. And so it really got on top of me. And so for this year, I'm not going to go out my way to release weekly. Now, if I was to do a tutorial project like a pendant and it was in 3 or 4 parts, then yes, that would come out weekly. But really what I'm going to try and do is release something every other week to every 3rd week as well. It's for your benefit only, because it means I can sit down, design and work on things and really concentrate on production, because I'm now finding things are taking an extra day or 2 to film because I'm really going into depth and, you know, making nice long videos here for you guys. Plus, and then editing as well is now taking a little bit longer as well, because there's a lot more to edit and get right. And I just really want to bring across to you guys the best production I possibly can. And I hate to say it, I want the best wire tutorial videos out there. So I'm really going for it. So just bear with me. So like, I'll bring a project out, I'll bring a pendant out, you get it weekly. And then there might be a week, maybe a 2-week gap at the very most. So I promise there'll be no longer than 2 weeks between videos. So there'll be basic skills coming up as well. That's what I'm about to film after this. I've got about 3 basic skills videos I want to go through as well. And there's going to be way more tutorials as well. And like I say, with this time frame in between, it gives me a chance to get ahead of myself by a few months, which really what I want to do. Because once I get ahead of myself by a few months, I've got time to design. I really do need to be able to sit down and sit back for 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 weeks and work on stuff. Because especially when I'm coming to pendants, especially the stuff I want to bring to you very soon, it's going to be really complicated and it's going to be heavy. And these things take a bit of time for me to work out. And I've kind of got to build it 3 or 4 times before I show it to you guys. And yeah, that is time consuming. Plus, I also want to bring some more Patreon masterclasses. I've got a great idea for my pendant masterclass, which will be over quite a few different videos from beginner to expert, which on the expert level, we will be finishing on my In the Beginnings book. I am planning on filming that, and that's going to be a Patreon only. There's lots of those kind of things I want to do for you guys as well. And once I've got that build up, I can then go for YouTube membership as well. And those videos that are on Patreon can come across to YouTube. It's up to you where you want to support me, either it be YouTube or Patreon. But I haven't quite set YouTube up yet. That's coming very soon as well. So really, this is what I just want to bring across to you guys, is that I am at it. I like I say, there'll be no longer than a 2-week gap be videos at most. If there is, I will tell you. But otherwise, yeah, I want to stay on top of it and try and release every other week if I can. I will do my best, like I say, get ahead of myself, and so I can sit back and bring you some great designs, because I've got some up in my head. I just need to sit down and make them. And just, you know, I hate to say it, ignore all this. I have to maybe even go home and sit on my sofa, put the cameras away, and even put Facebook away so I don't get influenced, and crack on and make some stuff for you as well. Yeah, I can't wait for doing some of that. So yeah, just bear with me. Like I say, videos will come out every other week or every week. And at the most, like I said, 2-week gap. I've got a few ideas as well, some more content coming your way as well. So I am considering looking into doing like championing other wire workers and yeah, and just, you know, showing you guys what I really like in other people as well. And it doesn't have to be someone famous. And just find a, you know, every time I open Facebook up, I see a post and I'm like, oh, that's really good. And I kind of feel like I want to talk to you about it. Because if I was in, you came to my workshops, that's what I would do. Especially if you do 3 days with me, I'd have my laptop open in front of us and I would show you examples of other wire wrappers. Often ended up being some of my friends that I would come and get and teach at the wire wrapping retreat that we used to run. But yes, that's what I like doing, because it's so many different styles out there, so many different things you can do with wire. You really do need to look around all the other wire wrappers, especially when you're in your early days, because then you might see someone and go, oh, I really like that. I'm going to be really honest here. My early days, Imian hugely influenced me, and that's why we booked her to come and work at our wire wrapping retreat, and I got some secrets out of her, which is great. Well, not really secrets, just some really good techniques. And don't worry, I'm going to show you guys these techniques as well. They're great little tips. But I will say this, that's what, she influenced me loads, and you can see it in some of my heavier work. Most definitely, there's definitely a style there that I kind of pinch from her a little bit. Not really, I can't my own sci-fi thing, but she was a big influence on me as well. So, when you're starting out as a wire wrapper, you've got to look at other wire wrappers and then just, what style do you like? How do you like? Are you a Nicole Hannah fan? Do you like that kind of wrapping as well? Love Nicole's work. Absolutely brilliant. Recommend every single one of her tutorials. She's brilliant. She really is. Or are you a Jason Barres fan? Now, the guy hasn't been on the scene for a long time. Well, he has been on the scene for a long time, but he hasn't been out for a bit. I think he's been playing poker and making more money that way. But he did recently come back and start making wire wraps again. Now, he's an interesting guy to look at. Very angled. Now, he was one of the first guys I got into really at the start that influenced me and just got me onto it. But he was all square wire, bit too angly for me. But I really appreciate the finish, the clean lines and stuff like that. So yeah, that's what I want to try and bring across to you as another bit of a subject matter for you here to listen to is, basically who I like and who you should check out and stuff like that as well. But yeah, that'd be great to bring some of that content. And there's some other stuff in the pipeline as well. I've just got to get in contact with other wire wrappers. I want to get like a wire wrapping meet together, like we get together and we chat, and so Windjam Wrap would be the name for it, which would be a great idea. But it'd be, just talking about scene, talking about techniques, and there's loads of wire wrappers out there. But I've got to reach out first and see if I can't get in contact with a few of them as well. And also make sure they've got all the kit and they can do podcasts and stuff like that. So that'd be nice. So there's something in the pipeline. These things will come over the years, but for the moment, you're going to get loads of tutorials, loads of workshops, and like I say, more stuff on Patreon, more Patreon only / YouTube membership only tutorials will be coming your way. Nice one, people. So I'm going to go edit this now and find out how my audio's come out, because I really want to see if it's worked and everything like that. So there won't be a video next week. This is just me getting started. I'm a bit behind myself again, like I said, because I had to get my audio sorted. It's taken me a couple of weeks to get this done. So we're now good. I'm pretty happy with it. So give me a week or two, at the very most, 1 week really at the most, and then we'll probably have some basic skills video. So like I said, I'm going to start filming tomorrow. The first one's going to be about just wrapping. Yeah, I haven't done a video on just wrapping wire. So we're going to sit there and we're going to chat about that from anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes. Nice one, people. I'm going to go into Premiere Pro now, edit this and see how this comes out. And I look forward to seeing you all back at the bench soon with some wire wrapping. Take care. Bye-bye. As usual, I'd like to give a massive, big thank you to everybody at Patreon and the Buy Me a Cup of Tea. All your help goes a long way to make this channel happen. I do have very big special thanks to Yasmin Khan, Wendy Cheverton, Vivian Hussey, Scuba K2, Sandra Lane, Ruby, Roxanne Coyne, Nutty Beeder, Nicola Kim, Matthew Smith, Kyle Fry, Joyce, Jill, Jennifer Smith, Jennifer Rouge, Jamie Cresty, Elizabeth Polk, Deborah Ensor, Amanda Ryan. Again, a massive thank you to all of you. Your help goes a long way to keeping this channel going. Thank you.